Wow. So this is going to be a quick one today. I'm about to wash my hair, and usually when I wash my hair, which is every week, you know, we have to combat the tangles. Now, since I've been washing my hair once a week, I don't have to deal with them as much as I was before. And instead of just finger detangling, I now use my brush all the time, a D38 diamond brush, which if you've watched my other video, I'll put a card up there. I'm a huge fan of this. So I usually detangle when I deep condition, and then when I'm putting the product through my hair to disperse it, blah, 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 as y'all know. And I kind of got tired of doing that because this has like a little thing in it where, you know, it has water product pour out of it. And so I would find that between deep conditioning and then product, I'd have to wash my brush, and it was kind of annoying for me. So I was like, do I gotta get a second diamond brush? But y'all know that that thing is expensive. That is $31 at least, plus tax, I'm sure. And I was watching one of Narada's videos, African Hair God, and a lovely lady, I'll put her video in the description below because I can't remember it right now, was talking about this right here, the Unbrush, and it seems super flexible. It went through her hair with ease, and I got it for $15 on Amazon. So it's half the price of the D38. If it's any good, it'll be amazing. So I can keep it in my shower. It's got a nice little hook. It's open, so it's super easy to clean and makes life simple, right? So if people don't want to spend the money on a D38, they can always get one of these. But yeah, let's see how it goes. About to jump in the shower, y'all.
So we start off a little steamy, guys, but it gets better. It gets a little clearer. I don't know how these people out here are filming in the shower all the time and it's not steaming up their camera. Like, let me know. But anyway, as you can see, this is me starting to use this Unbrush, and I start with like holding the ends of my hair, keep my hair taut, and just slowly make my way up to the roots. And yeah, it was just super easy. It's a breeze. I try to take my time with it, of course, and not rip through my hair. This is me being gentle. If it doesn't look like that, I am. See, I was pretty impressed. You can't hear it, but that's what I said. Make sure you always hold on to your hair while you're detangling it. Don't let it bounce back up because it just makes the job more difficult while you're going through it. And the only thing I have on here is the Aussie Moist conditioner, and it just gives me a nice slip. It makes my hair feel nice and smooth. It's a cheap conditioner. I don't get all fancy with it. But yeah, as you can see, going through this section, it's just pretty smooth. The back of my hair is definitely easier than the front. But yeah, just hold it taut and then brush. Sometimes I do this kind of smoothing thing through it, as you'll see if you keep watching. And that's about it, guys.
About 2 days since I washed my hair, as you saw in that last clip. So after I got out the shower, I was like, it went so well in the shower, let me try it outside with my products while I'm doing my twists. And again, it was super easy. This thing, like, the bristles are different levels. They're super flexible and there's no balls on the end. And it's easy to clean, super durable. I'm just really impressed with this thing, you guys. It doesn't snag on your hair or anything like that. For $15, this thing is pretty dope. It seems so basic and simple, but it's like how did nobody think of this before? But anyway, I would say try it. I'm gonna put a link down below for you guys to get it easily through Amazon. They have different colors and everything. This thing is lightweight. Just throw it in your shower, whatever, or you can get a couple different ones if you want. And it made my twist out super defined. If you can see, like, I'm so used to having a lot of frizz in my twist out, and it was like, it just made all the product glide through perfectly. My hair was so, like, just so easy. And comparing the two, this is my favorite up until I met this guy. The sizes, it's so much easier to grip in your hand like this. I find it a bit harder with the size of this, and I'm always dropping this when I'm going through my hair or even when I use it in the shower. This is a lot easier to handle. And then I don't have to worry about, because also this takes in a lot of water, so when I use it in the shower and then I end up using it outside, I always end up with water dripping all over me, which is a little annoying. It's a tiny pet peeve, but yeah, this is the guy. This is the guy that you're gonna love it. I want to hear about how much you love it when you get it, because I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Yeah, I think that's it. Sorry, I'm a little tired. It's late. I need to go to bed. But yeah, I had to finish this today. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'm looking forward to hearing your reviews on the Unbrush. Yeah, hit me down below.